Every day, society builds, transforms, and grows. Cement supports this evolution, giving shape to the structures that drive society forward. In cement manufacturing, equipment operates in one of the industry's harshest environments. Through coating and reclamation solutions, Eutectic helps enhance wear resistance and operational reliability. Behind the structures that transform our cities lies the power of industry and Eutectic technology. Eutectic 120 years of global history, 70 years of history in Brazil, delivering innovation and solutions since 1906.